Welcome to Quizlab. Please subscribe to our channel.
The Milky Way galaxy, which is the galaxy where our Earth and solar system are located, is so unbelievably massive and vishal that it contains more than 100 billion stars. And even light, which is the fastest thing in the universe, traveling at about 300,000 kilometers per second, still takes nearly 100,000 years to travel from one end of the galaxy to the other, which shows how incredibly vast, mysterious, and beyond human imagination our universe truly is. The Sun is so extremely huge, powerful, and important that it contains about 99.86% of the total mass of the entire solar system, and its gravity is so strong that it keeps all the planets, including Earth, moving in their proper paths, while also providing the heat and light that makes life possible on our planet. Jupiter is not only the largest planet in our solar system, but also a giant gas planet made mostly of hydrogen and helium, and its size is so enormous that more than 1,300 Earth-sized planets could fit inside it, and its gravity is so strong that it helps protect Earth by attracting dangerous asteroids and comets toward itself. Astronauts who live and work on the International Space Station experience many strange changes in their bodies, including becoming about 2 inches taller temporarily, because in space there is no gravity to compress their spine, which allows the bones and muscles to stretch out in ways that are impossible on Earth. Mars, which is often called the red planet because of its reddish color caused by iron oxide dust, contains the largest volcano in the entire solar system, known as Olympus Mons, which is about 22 kilometers tall, wider than many countries, and nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest, showing how powerful geological forces were on Mars. Space is completely silent and produces no sound at all because sound waves require air, water, or some kind of medium to travel. But since space is a vacuum with almost no particles present, sound cannot move from one place to another, which means astronauts must use radios to communicate even when they are very close to each other. A single day on Venus is extremely unusual and fascinating because Venus takes about 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only about 225 Earth days to orbit around the Sun, which means its day is longer than its year, making it one of the strangest planets in our solar system. Scientists estimate that there are trillions of galaxies in the universe, and each galaxy contains billions or even trillions of stars, which means the total number of stars is greater than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth, making the universe incredibly huge and full of endless mysteries. The footprints left behind by astronauts on the Moon during the Apollo missions can remain unchanged for millions of years because the Moon has no atmosphere, no wind, and no flowing water to erase or damage them, allowing these footprints to remain as a permanent record of human exploration. Scientists working at NASA have discovered that water exists in many places in space, including frozen ice on planets and moons, and even in the form of massive floating clouds containing enough water to fill Earth's oceans many times, which suggests that the building blocks of life may exist throughout the universe.